Before we begin, subscribe to Future Forward for a front row seat to the evolution of tech, drones, and digital lifestyles that define our modern century. Hit that bell icon so you never miss the future, landing right in your feed. Let's be honest, how many of you have ever yelled, "Where's my drone bag?" just 5 minutes before a shoot? Now imagine this: a drone that folds, flies like a bullet, thinks like an AI, and films like a Hollywood director. Too good to be true? Meet the DJI Neo2, the rumored next-gen compact drone that has the entire drone community flying in circles, and it hasn't even taken off officially. Welcome to Future Forward, where we don't just show you what's coming, we prepare you for it. Now, let's unpack the Neo2 and see why it might be DJI's boldest move. It started with a whisper, a cryptic tweet, a subtle nod from a leaker with a spotless DJI track record. Neo2, late 2025. That was enough. Forums exploded. Hashtags trended. Drone pros and amateurs alike scrambled to piece the puzzle together. Why the hype? Simple. DJI isn't just dropping a new drone. They're rewriting the rulebook. Based on early leaks and industry whispers, here's what we currently believe about the DJI Neo2's potential features. First, it may feature a foldable design, making it an ideal choice for hikers, travelers, and urban explorers. This compact structure eliminates the hassle of bulky equipment. Just fold it, pack it, and you're ready to go. Next, the Neo2 is rumored to include a 1-inch sensor capable of capturing 20-megapixel photos, delivering exceptionally sharp details, cleaner contrast and shadows, and impressive low-light performance, turning night scenes into vivid imagery. And when it comes to video, the standout feature is its ability to record in 5.4K at 60 frames per second. This level of clarity and smoothness brings a cinematic quality to your footage, ensuring your visual storytelling matches your creative ambition without compromise. But power means little without speed, and that's where the DJI Neo2 takes the lead. It's not just a smart drone, it's an exceptionally fast one, reportedly reaching speeds of up to 60 miles per hour. That's highway speed, but in the sky. Yet, speed is just the beginning. The Neo2 is also expected to offer up to 40 minutes of flight time, giving pilots significantly more airtime than many competitors. For safety and precision, it boasts 360-degree obstacle avoidance, ensuring it can navigate even complex environments with confidence. And thanks to AI-powered tracking, specifically ActiveTrack 5.00, the Neo2 can intelligently follow subjects with pinpoint accuracy, capturing smooth, dynamic footage with minimal input. Now imagine your drone following you through a forest, trail dodging branches, maintaining perfect focus as you ride or run without a joystick in sight. And the controller? No more phone mounting. A built-in touchscreen interface, elegant, intuitive, and independent. A true pilot's cockpit. And yes, that means no more asking, "Where's my phone?" as your drone flies into a tree. Let's talk intelligence. The Neo2 isn't just reactive, it's predictive. With next-gen AI, it doesn't just avoid obstacles, it learns from them. It remembers flight paths. It adapts to your habits. It evolves every time you take off. Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 6, real-time data transfer, minimal latency. It's not just a flying camera anymore. It's your aerial co-pilot. And here's the kicker. If DJI's track record is any indication, pre-orders will vanish faster than the Neo2 at full throttle. Still, wondering if it's worth the hype? Let's compare when it comes to video resolution. The DJI Neo2 stands out with a rumored 5.4K at 60 frames per second, while the Mini 4 Pro delivers solid 4K at 60 frames per second, and the Autel Evo Nano Plus trails slightly with 4K at 30 frames per second. In terms of flight time, the Neo2 is expected to soar ahead with up to 40 minutes of airtime, compared to the Mini 4 Pro's 34 minutes and the Evo Nano Plus offering just 28 minutes. When discussing obstacle avoidance, the Neo2 is reportedly equipped with 360-degree AI-powered sensors, offering full coverage in every direction. The Mini 4 Pro provides three-way sensing, while the Evo Nano Plus is more limited with front-facing sensors only. And yes, all three drones are foldable, making them travel-friendly, but the Neo2's design is rumored to be even more compact and efficient. aligning perfectly with the needs of modern adventurers. Neo 2 isn't just an upgrade, it's a redefinition. A message from DJI: the sky belongs to thinkers. What if the future of drones isn't just about flying higher, but flying smarter, faster, and freer? Will the Neo 2 be DJI's biggest leap since the flip drone? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And while you're at it, give that like button some love and subscribe to Future Forward. Trust us, you don't want to miss that one dot. Until next time, stay curious and keep flying forward.